Pour it on a newspaper and leave it in the bathroom. Silverfish will disappear overnight. With this simple trick, you can get rid of them for good. Use this trap regularly, and you won't see silverfish again. If you've tried different methods without success, it's time for a simple solution. These pests are a nightmare in many homes, especially in apartment buildings. They move between rooms through tiny cracks and are most commonly found in bathrooms. That's why keeping your bathroom clean and dry is crucial. Silverfish thrive in darkness, making bathrooms the perfect environment for them. While they don't bite or spread diseases, they can damage carpets, furniture, and even wallpaper if they spread beyond the bathroom. They feed on starches and carbohydrates, love simple sugars, and can even digest cellulose. This is why they're attracted to toilet paper stored in bathrooms. Tiny shreds of it are enough to keep them alive. While sprays can repel them, a homemade trap is much easier. Take a newspaper and pour honey on it. Silverfish won't resist this treat. The sticky honey will trap them, making it impossible for them to escape. For even better results, dampen the entire newspaper before adding the honey. Silverfish love moisture, and this will make the trap even more effective. Just remember to keep the bathroom clean so that the honey-covered paper is their only food option. Use this trap regularly, and you'll never see silverfish again.